Everybody clear? Online people, do you have any doubts on the functions concept? Or else clear? Okay, guys. So today we are moving to the next concept. Before moving to the next concept, so we have a looping statements are there, right? We need to complete two looping statements are there, while and do while loop. So those things we will complete and then we will move to the next concept. The thing but a arrays. Okay. So looping statements. Okay, 2 p.m. batch, JS, loops. Yeah. So loops, what I have, while and the do while loop. So these all are the while loop. If you don't know the iterations, then we need to use the while loop. Yesterday also we used to try this while loop. In which function ma? Generator function we used this one. So how to execute this one? What is the syntax of this one? Means you need to use the while of inside the unit write the condition. Unit is the while of inside that unit write the condition. Now inside this you need to write the code execution. After that you need to write the increment slash decrement. Increment slash decrement. This is nothing but a while loop syntax ma. Here how the code execution is done means first it will check the condition whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then it will be enter inside that. After executing the code, then at the last increment or decrement should be done for that particular element, then it should work. If it is a condition is false, there only it will stop, it will not enter inside also. Is it clear ma? This is nothing but a while loop condition. So how to write that one? How to write that one? Simple agenda. Print numbers from 1 to 5. So I want to print the numbers from 1 to 5 I want to print. So by using the while loop, how we need to write the condition means while. Sorry, first we need to take the number ma here. Let number equals to 1. So I want to start the series from the 1. Next what I need to do here, while of. While of. Now number is less than 5. Less than or equals to 5. Number is less than or equals to 5. After that, inside that you need to write the console log of number. Console log of num. Console log of num. Now after that we need to increment the number. Num plus plus. And after that, that's it. That's it. Now this is the code execution. How it is working. First number we need to declare. Because in for loop we are doing the initialization, right? I equals to 0 like that we are doing, right? Same thing. That one also declaration only. Here also we are declaring separately. After that while keyword we need to write. Now this is the condition only can I call. What is the first condition? Now 1 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? True only, right? Then it will enter inside. Console log of number. What it will print ma now for me? It is printing 1. Now after that incrementation should be done, right? Now what it will return for me? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. What is the number value now? 2, right? Number value is 2. Now again it will check the 2 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? Again it will print the value as a 2. Now 2 plus 1. What is the value? What is the number value now? 3. Now 3 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? Again it will enter inside, printing the value number as a 3. Again 3 plus 1 equals to 4. What is the number value now? 4. It will check the condition. 4 is less than or equals to 5. True or false? True. It will print the value as a 4. Next one, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 is less than or equals to 5. True. Again, it will print the console log of num. It will print the 5. So next, 6. It will check the condition. True or false? It will enter inside the looping. No, it will terminate here only. Flow of execution, for loop, while loop, both are the same only. Both are, but what is the difference here means for loop and the while loop? In the for loop, along with that, the loop increment decrement should be happen. Here, inside the loop, it is happening. If we can check there, initialization, condition check, increment or decrement. Along with the loop only, right? Everything. But here, first it should satisfy the condition, then output, then increment and decrementing. That is a major difference here. One more point. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a while loop. Yesterday also we utilized it, right, already. Now for the ID creation, I don't know how many values I want. So at that time, I am using like that. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now next one is the do while. Syntax of the do while. So what do you need? First you need to write the do. First you need to write the do. Next we need to write the code. Next I need to write the increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Then when we need to check the conditions, sir, after this here you need to write the while. After this, then we need to write the while here. Now in this condition, what will happen? First, what is happening, ma? Code is executing. First, code is executing, then condition check will be happening. First, code is executing, then condition check is happening here. It means if the condition is true or false, it doesn't care about it. At least one time code execution should be done. At least one time code execution should be done. That is nothing but a do while loop. That is nothing but a do while loop. Is it clear now? Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Now, how to write this one, sir? So, what I will do, let number equals to 5. I'm giving the number 5. So, simply I want to print that one. Do of console log of number. After that, I will write the increment number plus plus. So, this is the do only. Now, I need to check the condition. So, I need to write the while. So, number is less than 5. Or false rate was true or false? False only, right? But if it is a false also, it will execute this line. It will print 5 for us. Then it will be execution should be continued. First, it will executing the code at least once. After that, if the condition is true, again it will execute, or else it will be false. There only it will stop the working. This is nothing but a do while loop. We will need to understand just flow of execution because these type of flows only we are using in the upcoming classes. For loop, while loop flow, if you get means enough for us. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Now we will do the code executions here. I will do the code execution. So yeah, this is the functions. I don't want this one. Where is the looping? Yeah. So same to same. Again, I will write the while only. Let number equals to number equals to 1 while of number is less than 5. Number is less than 5. I need to write the console log of num along with that num plus plus. Num plus plus. Now you can check if I run this. See here, less than only I given or equals to less than. Okay. Now if I give the equals to means, then it will print the values from 1 to 5. Flow of execution is same to same. Working also same to same. How the for loop is working, same to same execution. Just one difference is there. When we don't know the how many iterations I want to do, at that time we'll use the while loop. When we know that how many iterations I want, at that time we will use for the for loop. Okay. Upcoming classes we never touch these loops only. We have advanced loops, those only we will using that one. But there also flow of execution is same. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Yeah. Now next one, do while. Number 5, right? Number 1. Let number 1 equals to 5. So do I need to write of console log of number 1. So next, number 1 plus plus. You can check here. I need to write the while of condition. Number 1 should be less than 5. True or false, Ray? False. Now you can check. Now you can check. Is executed, right? But the condition is true. Huh? No, right? But the condition is not true. If the condition is true, now you can check. Is it working now? Yes or no? If the condition is true means it will continue, it will print. If the condition is false also, at least one time it should be executed. At least one time it should be executed. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a while loop. While and the do while. Online people, is it clear? Any doubts are there? Guys, respond. Yeah, fine. So we are moving to the array now. Okay. Before going to the array, we need to discuss one more concept, right? That is nothing but a debugging. That is nothing but a debugging. So what do you mean by this debugging? Means when I'm explaining about the JavaScript, at that time we are seeing the memorization, right? Heap memory and the call stack. Remember, the memory is dividing into two parts, heap memory and the call stack. We are talking about that. So that one only, how data is storing, how data is iterating. Those things only we need to understand now. Okay. So entire memory is dividing into the two parts, heap memory and the call stack. Same like that, JavaScript will be read the code two times. JavaScript also read the code two times. First one we will call it as a declaration phase. First one we will call it as a declaration phase. What do you mean by this declaration phase? Means if we can check, let is there, right? Let var const. If you're declaring any variable with this, that one only we will call it as a declaration phase. Functions, objects, anything. Okay. Next one, execution phase. Execution phase means initializing the values, console log statements, function calls. Those all we will call it as a execution phases. Those all we will call it as a execution phases. If you observe means we can see only the execution phase, initialization phase, declaration phase. Declaration phase we can't see, we can see the only the initialization phase. That one only we will see now how it is working. Okay. Yeah. Now we will start the debugging now. Debugging.js. Script src debugging.js. So here I'm declaring the variables var a equals to 10, let b equals to 20, const c equals to 30. Just simple code I'm writing. Console log of a, console log of b, console log of c. So this is one simple code I am writing. Now we will see how it is executing for us. Okay, how it is executing for us. Now if I run this, so now you can check console log 10, 20, 30 I am getting, it is properly working for me now. So next step, how to check that one, sir? How to check that one application, not here, security, memory, network source. Yeah, you need to come for the source. After that, you need to click on the debug.js. Okay, this is the code only which we are seeing, right? So when I start debugging, it means from which line you want to debug that one. Just click on that particular line. Okay, just click on that particular line. After that, refresh that your page. Refresh your page. Now you can check here. Debugging is started, right? Debugging.js. So you can check script tag. Remember B and C, which is declared with the latent cause, it should be comes under the script scope. That day we discussed it, right? When you're declaring the globally, when I have a latent cause, those things will be comes under the script scope only. Next one, call stack. We will discuss this call stack, ma. So this is nothing but a call stack. It is an anonymous call stack. So we will discuss about the global. A is undefined. If you observe carefully, already values are there, right? Yes or no? Now, what do you think? Sir, you are debugging, you are starting from there, right? Due to that reason, we are getting the values as unavailable and undefined. For declaration also, I'm doing the starting there only, right? At a time, they need to declare, right? It means when I will start from here, declaration and initialization at a time should be done, right? But here, if you can observe, declaration is done already. What is a declaration? BCA. It means they know that already I have a variables of A, B, and C. What is the next phase? Execution phase. It means I need to assign the values. So if I move forward one by one, the value will be getting assigned 10. So next one, move forward. See 20. Next one, move forward. 30. Next one, console logs. Is it clear, ma? This is the one simple code of debugging. It means how it is going forward. Is it clear? Online people, is it clear for you? Any doubt is there this one? Next I will go for the functions, Ray. Functions are bit different, ma. Okay, functions are bit different. Guys, can I go to the functions now? Yeah. For next, how to stop this debugging? We need to. We know starting. We need to know stop also, right? So their blue symbol it is getting right, guys. Some people you will get like this. For some people it will give you small red color dots for you people. Don't get confused. Both are the same only. One small red color dot should be coming like this. Both are the same. Just click on that. Again, refresh your page. Then debugging will be get stopped. Yeah, breakpoints also you can call, right? So next one. Now here only I want to write a one function here. So here only I will write a one function. Function demo of. So console log of A, console log of B, console log of C. Console log of C. Now I need to call the demo of. I need to call the demo of. Whenever you are seeing the function, just remember it will create when a function call is there, automatically it will take a space inside the heap memory. Automatically will take the space between the heap memory. So here how it is working. How it is working means just observe here. So already you have a one call stack is there, right? If you observe. Okay, not at paused. So I need to pause this one. Again, I'm starting from the starting onwards only. If you observe carefully here, what is happening? Script tag. global call stack. What is this call stack, ma? Anonymous call stack. It means defaultly it is presenting the one call stack. That call stack name we will call it as a anonymous. Okay. What is happening in the call stack means the execution phase which we are seeing, right? Now we are seeing the execution phase, right? That one only happening here. That one only happening here. Now next step, what I need to do now? How it is working, we need to see. See here, ma, line by line, it will go execution should be done. When it reaches this line, it will not read this line. It will directly jump to the demo of function. It means if you want to run any function, you need to first search for the function call. You need to search for the function call. If function call is there, then what it will do now, it will create a one more call stack. It will create a one more call stack. By which name, sir? Already I have anonymous is there, right? Then which name it will create? It will create the call stack with the function name demo only. After demo function will be executed, automatically it will get terminated. Shall we check that one? Yeah. Move forward. Now B, value is assigning to B. Again C, console log of A, console log of B, console log of C. Now you can check. Is it going to this function demo? Function inside it is going or function call? Function call. When I move forward again, you can check here. One more call stack is created. It means if the call stack is created means I need to understand I am inside the function now. When I move forward again, console log of A, console log of B, console log of C. And now we can check after the function completed, is this demo is existing there? It will be automatically terminated. Now here you have one more question. You have a one more question. What is that question? Means, sir, we did not declare the ABC inside the function. It is declared outside the global. When you are creating the call stack, their only execution phase should be done. There is no declarations. Then how we are getting the 10, 20, 30 inside the function? What I told, I have one call stack is there, right? What is the call stack default call stack name? Anonymous. Anonymous, what it will do? It will storing the one address called window, because the data which we are representing everything is depending on the window only. So that anonymous will store the window address. The call stack which is created, new one, right? New one is created, right? Demo of. What it will do, you know that it will store the address of the anonymous. It will store the address of the anonymous. What it will do, it will first when I'm using the console log of A, it will check in that call stack whether I have any A variable is there. No. If it is not there means somewhere else it is declared, right? So who is the pair of that? Global only. Global is nothing but anonymous. So by using that address, it will go and check in the anonymous. If the variable is present there, from there it will pick and it will give for us. Is it clear, ma? More easy example, if I can tell, means now you are going from one shop to buy some products. Okay. If the product is not available there, what the shopkeeper will do? Bring from the other shop only, right? Because they don't want to lose the customers. What they will do, 5 minutes you will wait, I will bring the product for you. They will tell it. They will go and bring that product. Here also same thing. I'm asking about the console log of A. That particular product is not present on the demo call stack, demo shop. Inside the demo shop, the product is not there. What they will do, in their mind, one address should be there now. They will going to that address. They are seeing their product is there or not. If the product is there, they are picking and giving in the shop. That's it. Okay. Sir, what happens if inside the demo function I have a one more function? Then again it will create a one more call stack. Inside the demo function, inside that one more function is there. Again it will create a one more call stack. When the function execution is completed, automatically one by one will get terminated. Sir, what is the use case of termination? Product purchasing done. You will be staying in that shop only. Yeah? You will leave from that shop, right? Same to same here also. Working of that function is completed. Why should I keep like that only? So I will terminate that one. This is nothing but a debugging. By using debugging, you can understand the flow of execution also, how it is working. Is it clear? Is it clear, as all of you? If you have a laptop, means try this one. You have a try this one, then I will start the array, because this one is a flow you need to understand. Here it is not useful for you. I'm telling here it is not useful for you because you think, what is this, sir? But when you're going for the real world, how data flow is means like this only you need to catch. At that time, it is very much useful for you because most of the cases they will do debugging like this only. Okay, they will see now. Now I'm seeing the errors and I'm telling what error you did. But in the advanced cases, you need to understand the flow because data is not coming from one place, but different places coming, different places. The data should be extraction should be done. So you need to understand from where to where it is going. At that time, debugging is the only way to understand the concept at that time. Is it clear? Just try it, how it is iterating, and check it once. Okay. Yeah, guys, start doing. Just click on the blue one ray and refresh that. It should be automatically will stop. Online people, is it clear for you? Guys, simple thing can I call this one is a tracing. We will call it as a tracing the code. Tracing also working like this only. Online people, any doubts are there? Is it clear? Guys, 10 minutes is enough to do. 250. We will start again. But not starting. Sushil, you need to click here and refresh that one again, right? Debug.js. Here you need to select that one. Then you need to click here and refresh that. Then you will get here option called forward backward. Then it will be go. Yeah. అది రాన్ చేయదు సర్వీస్. ఓకే. మార్పుడు మార్పుడు మరి చేయడం ప్రాపర్గా రాదు. సార్ సర్వీసింగ్ అక్కడే ఇచ్చుకున్నాం మేము. సరే సార్. ఓకే సార్. అంటే కనెక్ట్ అవ్వదా అసలు? అయ్యి ఇంకా మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఆహా, ఓకే. దాన్ని ఏమైనా చేయడానికి ఏమైనా ఉంటుందో చూడండి సార్, డిస్ప్లే ఏదైనా కనెక్షన్ ఏమైనా అవ్వడానికి. మ్మ్. 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 ఒకసారి ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి సార్, ఒకవేళ అగ్రీ చేద్దరు కానీ లేదంటే తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఆహా. ఆ, ఆహా, ఓకే. మ్మ్. మ్మ్. ఓకే. ఆహా. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. ఆ, ఆహా. అంటే మొత్తం మ్మ్. అది లోపల కట్ అయిందని మేమేం చేయలేము కదా సార్. అదే అసలు మేమైతే ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు. రాంచీలో ఒక్క చోటే ఇచ్చింది ల్యాప్టాప్, మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడా లేదు అసలు. ఆ, మ్మ్. ఇక్కడ రాంచింగ్ వెళ్ళేదేం లేదు సార్ మేము. అదే ఇష్యూ మాది. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళేదేం లేదంటే అక్కడ ఫోన్ చేసి మాట్లాడాలి ఇంకా. లేదండి, ఫోన్ చేసి మాట్లాడేసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ మా కౌంటర్ ఇది రిఫరెన్స్ ఆర్ ఉంటుందో రేపు చూడాలి మనం. ఎన్ని రోజులు పట్టింది సార్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వడానికి? లేదు. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Started but don't understand what is happening in Eclipse, and I used to understand or make us understand the flow through debugging. Sushil, make us understanding means check it here, ma. So here also I'm not doing anything. Just I'm starting the code how is working. So step by step execution means here you need to go for the next. So by using like that, you can get to know from where to where it is going. That's it. Same to same how Eclipse also is working is same to same here also. That's it. Okay. Or else I will do one thing. Now you can check here, Sushil. So here I'm using the one for loop. Okay. So I'm just start debugging here. From here only I'm start debugging. I'm refreshing this one. So when I go here, when I click on that condition, see here. Again, I will do it again for you. You can check when I start the debugging here and refresh this. So total here you have a three arrowheads are there, right? First one, second one, and the third one. First one, second one, and the third one. So when I click on it, just check here what is happening there. When I click on the move forward, see here. What is happening? It is going to the check the condition here. First, it is initialization done. Then it is going for the checking the condition. Again forward. Then it is going inside that to print that value. See a block scope. I value is 0. That is printing the I value. Again, I'm entering. Again, is it closing that loop or no? Again, it is going for the above. Going here, move forward. See here. I value is 1. Again move forward. So it is not going here, it is going here. When you click here, then it is going for the execution phase. It means increment or decrementing. Then again it is starting from the I equals to 2. Again next one, condition check, it is going inside. Now again it is going here. Then click again, I value is the 3. That day how I did the flow execution, same to same here also going it. Until and unless it's reaching for the false condition. Now you can check I is 6. It is not going there. It is exiting from the loop. That's it. Is it clear, Sushil, now? Yeah, in scopes only we need to check here. Because that one only we need to check. Nah, there only the data is displaying for us. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Everything clear? Doubts are there in the debugging? Yeah, guys. Shall we move to the new concept? Clear, everybody? Online people? Yeah, fine. So, next concept we are going to discuss about the array, guys. Next concept we are going to discuss about the array. Now, what do you mean by array? Yeah, it means Java people know about the. For Python people, it is a list. For Python people, what is it? List. In Java also we will call it as JavaScript also we will call it as a array only. Okay. What is the use case of array, ma? Hmm? To store? Okay. Homogeneous data type in the single variables. Next. So simple, ma. Here, what is the array means? Array is nothing but it is used to store the elements. Combining different data elements into the single entity to store the multiple values in a single variable. That's it. So array is nothing but it is used to store the multiple values or multiple elements in a single variable. That is nothing but a array. Array is using for the storing purpose. First point. Array is using for the storing purpose. Collection of the data. Collection of the data. Okay, new things came. So simple. First point. It is used to store the multiple data in a single variable. It is used to store multi data in a single variable. This is nothing but array. The representation of an array is the representation of the array is square brackets. The representation of the array is square brackets. If we are storing the same data type values, then that array we will call it as a then that array we will call it as a homogeneous array. Homogeneous array. If we are storing the multi data type, multi data type, then that array we will call, sorry yes, then array we will call a heterogeneous heterogeneous array. If we are storing the multiple data types in a single variable, then we will call it as a heterogeneous array. Is it clear, ma? So here also to creating array, here we have totally two types. To creating an array, we have totally two types are there. Creating an array, we have two types. We have two types. Are the types we have means first one we will call it as a literal way. First one we will call it as a literal way. First one we will call it as a literal way. Second one we will call it as a constructor way. First one is a literal way. Second one is a constructor way. Now, how the literal way is working? How the literal way is working means let ARR equals to, we need to use the square brackets. No, not ARR, any variable name you can call. Variable declaration, identifier, values. Value 1, comma, value 2, dot, dot, dot. So like this, we can give n number of values. This is the syntax of the literal way one. This is the syntax of the literal way. For example, how to do variable declaration means let ARR. I am giving as identifier as ARR equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma something. I am writing here like that. So this one we will call it as a homogeneous array because all the data type is a number only, right? Due to that reason, this one I will call it as a homogeneous array. Is it clear? Like this, we need to create an array in the literal way. Next one, constructor way means whenever you are seeing the constructor way, just remember one point. If I have a constructor way means mandatory, I need to use the new keyword. If I have a constructor way means I need to use the new word. So how to declare that one? Again, same to same. Variable declaration, identifier equals to new array of. Inside that and give the value. Value 1, comma, value 2, dot, dot, dot of. Like this I need to give. Object like no, everything is object only here. It is object only. It is a data type is object only. Arrays data type is a object only. Okay. We enter inside the objects now already. Is it clear, ma? So like this you need to, guys, copy this one exactly same to same. Don't do any modifications in the syntaxes. How I am writing same to same you need to write. Where I'm using the uppercase, use uppercase there. Where I'm using the lowercase, use the lowercase there. Don't write generalized way. Okay. Now what is the example here? Let ARR2 equals to new array of. New array of. Here I need to write the 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, 5, 6. That's it. Now this is also one of the way to creating the array. This is also one of the way to creating an array. Is it clear? These all are the two ways. Like this, we need to create an array. Anything is fine for us, but most probably we will use the literal way only. Array way we will not use that much, but we have one more option also like that we can do. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. Next one, methods of an array. What is the next one? Methods. Methods of an array. What is the first method we have? Means push. Push off. Here I need to pass the value. Here I need to pass the value. So what do you mean by this? It is used to add the value at the last. It is used to add the value at the last of an array. If you have one array, inside that it is used to add the value at the last of that. It means last index. If the last index is 6, seventh index should be this value. That's it. It will be adding at the last. This is the use case of push. What is the syntax of the push? identifier. It means here I'm writing the array means it is the identifier array identifier dot push off. Dot push off. Inside that I give the value. Inside that I need to give the value. This is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax there. Is it clear? Identifier means variable name array. That array we are storing, right? That identifier we need to give here. Is it clear? Next one. What is the second method we have? Now, what is the second method? Means pop off. So it is used to delete the value from the last. It is used to delete the value from the last. So what is the syntax of this? Syntax array identifier dot pop off. That's it. Array identifier dot pop off. That's it, guys. Is it clear, ma? Now next one. Third one. Unshift. Unshift of value you need to pass. It is used to add the value from the starting. From the start. It means start of an array. You can write start of an array. Start of an array. Okay. So what is the syntax of this? Array identifier dot unshift of value I need to pass. Value I need to pass here. Is it clear, ma? Dot unshift of value I need to pass here. Next one. Fourth one is nothing but a shift off. Shift off. It is used to delete the value from the starting. Pop is used to delete the values from the end. Shift is used to delete the values from the starting onwards. Is it clear, ma? Now, what is the syntax of this? Syntax colon that id identifier dot shift off. id identifier dot shift off. This is the four methods to add and delete the values, guys. From the starting onwards, if I want to add the value, which method I need to use? Unshift. If I want to add the values at the last, push. Is it clear? If I want to remove the values from the last, pop. If I want to remove the value from the starting onwards, shift I need to use. Is it clear, all of you? Now, other methods also we have there. What are they means? Fifth one is length. Fifth one is a length. Now, what is the use case of this length? Means it is used to find the length of an array. It is used to find the length of an array. Now how to write that one means syntax. Same to same. Again array identifier only. Dot length. Array identifier dot length. That's it. Like this, if you write means you will get the length of an array. Sixth one. What does the sixth one means? At of index. So inside that you need to pass the index values. What is use case for means it is used to return the value which is present inside the index. The value which is present inside the index, that one only it will return ma. That is nothing but a at method. That is nothing but a at method. Next one. Seventh one, trim. These methods, some of Python people having the similarity with these methods ma. Trim, oh sorry. Trim is not here ma. Just a second I will tell. Concat. Concat of. It is used to merge the more than one array. Merge more than one array. How to write that one? Oh, sorry guys. Here I write the syntax also. Syntax colon. So I will copy this one, right? Every time I need to write dot at of index value. Index value I need to pass here. So same to same here also. Syntax colon array identifier dot concat of array I need to pass here. Comma array. Guys, here one more point you will listen. Array identifier is I am writing right. It means to which array I want to concat that one. To which array I want to concat that one. At that time only the arrays will be concat with this array now. It means first it will write the 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have a 3 arrays, 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15. So first I will write means array 1, array 2, array 3 I given. If I use the array 1, these two will be merged with this. If I'm using the array 2 dot array 1 comma array 2. First array 2 will be print. After that array 1 will add it. After that array 3 will be added. Like that it should be working. Okay. So eighth one. Eighth one we have split off. So what is the use case of split means? It is not here. Reverse. Not split, my reverse. It is used to reverse the array. It is used to reverse the array. That's it. Syntax array identifier dot reverse of. Ninth one. I have a sort. Ninth one is nothing but a sort. It is used to sort the array. It is used to sort the array. That's it. Syntax. Syntax colon sort of. So it will be starts sorting the values, guys. So 10th one is nothing but a join off. So here a optional value. Now what is this value means with whom I want to join that one. That's it. With whom I want to join the value. It is used to join the elements of an array. Elements of an array. That's it. So syntax dot join of. Here I given the optional value ma. But value should be in the quotes ray. Remember that point. Okay. Value should be inside the quotes ma. Value should be inside the quotes. These all are the 10 methods we have. These all are the n number of methods also we have. More important one only I forgot. 12th one. Splice. Splice. So what is this slice? Splice means I will tell start index comma. DC means delete count. Replace value. See here guys. Now check here. What do you mean by SI means start index? SI means start index. DC means delete count. DC means delete count. RV means replaced value. RV means replaced value. Okay, what is the use case of this one means? It is used to delete the value and if needed, it will replace the value also. Replace the value also if it is needed ma. If it is not needed means it will not do anything. If it is needed means definitely it will replace also it will do. Is it clear ma? Now what is the use case? Splice means it is used to delete the elements from the array also. That deleted value is there, right? I want to replace with that array at that and also we can do that one. So here three values are there. Start index, delete. Start index means from where I want to start that one. Delete count. Now I'm starting somewhere else. From that place, how many elements I want to delete? That is nothing but a delete count. Replaced value. Apart from that elements, what I want to add there. Replaced value is the optional one. My want means we can give no need, sir. I want to just delete the values means you can delete that particular value also. Slice will be 1 1. 11. Okay. Sorry, guys. My bad. Okay. Next one, syntax. Syntax also same to same only. Array identifier dot splice of. Array identifier dot splice of. Here I introduce the start index, comma, delete count, comma, optional one is the replaced value. So like this only we need to give ma what it will return. What it will return. It will return a deleted values. It will return a deleted values. What values it is deleting, right? That values only it will return. Is it clear? Now 12th one. 12th one slice. Slice of start index comma end index. Slice. It is used to extract the it is used to extract the sum part of an array. Some part of an array. The return type of the return type. Okay, just a second, ma. I'm changing the sentence. It will return an array. It contains extracted value. It contains the extracted value. It is used to extract a part of an array. It will return an array that contains the extracted value. What is the syntax of this? Dot slice of start index comma end index. That's it. That's it. Now, guys, make sure that difference you need to understand the splice and the slice. In the splice, what we are doing, we are deleting the values. In the splice, we are extracting the values. It means I have a four elements are there. I want to in between two values. That one only I am extracting. End index means if you want to start 1, 2, 3, 4 ma. Now here one more one you should observe. Array is calculated in the index values. Array will be the index values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements should be there. Index values from 0 to 5. Length is 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. But index values are from the 0 to 5 only. 0 to 5 only. Make sure this point clear in your minds, ma. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements I have. What are the index values I have? 0, 1, 2, 3. If I want to extract the 1 and 2 in between values, then I need to write the index value plus 1. If I want to stop the index at the 2 ma, 2 value also I want to extract, then I need to write the 2 plus 1, 3 I need to write the index value. It is applicable for only for the n index. Is it clear, ma? So these all are the 12 methods. Apart from that, we have a looping methods are there. Looping methods. Looping methods. In that first one, we have a map. In that first one, map of. So here I need to pass the callback function. So what it is the use? It is used to iterate an array, and it will return a new array also. And it will return a new array. That's it. It will return a new array. Just a second, guys. I will make it as a proper. So syntax of that, how to call that particular map. What is a callback function I need to write means syntax I will write ma. Syntax array dot map of. Array dot map of. Here it will accept a totally three values, three parameters, value comma index comma array of. Now here you need to write the code. Here you need to write the code. That's it. So it means inside the value what it will store, we will writing right for I equals to 0, I is less than or equals to that particular value, I plus plus. Here we are removing complete thing. So automatically it will calculate the values, index values, or it will take array means it will store the original array. How the for loop is working, everything same here only. Here we are not checking the condition check. We are not doing any increment or decrementing the values. Everything is done automatically. Map method. Okay. Second method. Second method filter. Second method filter. Callback function. It is used to iterate an array. It will return a filtered array. It will return a filtered array. Now, what do you mean by filter, ma? Filtering the data only, right? Same to same it will give. But here we need to, it will return a filtered array. It will filter that particular array and it will return a new array for you. It will return a new filtered array you can call. Now same syntax is same to same only. But what is the change here? Here I need to write the filter. Here I need to write the condition array. Here I need to write the condition. So third one, reduce. Third one, reduce. Now it is used to convert the all the values into single value. Single value. That's it. It means it will convert the entire array into the single value only. So syntax also same to same, but smaller change is there. Here I need to use the reduce, and here this many no need value comma total. So here we need to write the code execution what I want to do. Code execution. So what is the return type of this means? It will return a single value. That's it. It will return a single value. Now fourth one. Fourth one for each. For each of. Callback function. It is used to iterate the array. That's it. Just it is used to iterate an array. Ma. Syntax is same to same. There is no change in the syntax. There is no change in the syntax, same to same syntax. Then what is the difference here, sir? It will return nothing. It return nothing. It will not return anything, Ray. Just return type of the function. What is that, Ray? Undefined, right? That one only it will return. Apart from that, nothing it is returning. Apart from that, nothing it is returning. Next one, fifth one, for off loop. For off. It is used to iterate the values of an array. It is used to iterate the values of an array. So for identifier of array name of code execution. This is a syntax. This is the syntax of that. Next one, sixth one, in. It is used to iterate index values of an array. Syntax colon for of identifier in array name of code. That's it. Yeah, guys, these all are the array methods and the array looping methods. These all are the last six we discussed, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looping methods. These all are, we will call it as the advanced looping methods. That's it, right? This is the last. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss how much it is possible. Means that much we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. We will continue. Don't think about that tomorrow only we'll complete all the things. It is not possible. Might be my guess that 12 methods will be completed tomorrow. Pakka. In this map or filter will be completed. That's it. Remaining tomorrow's it will take to complete those methods all. How many methods today? 12 plus 6, 18 completely. This is nothing but array theory, ma. This is a array theory. That's it. Yeah, guys. Is there any doubt in the today's concept? No means tata. Bye bye. We will meet in the tomorrow session again. Guys, I will share these notes. You will write how much time you want, right? Yeah, definitely I will share, Asha. Asha, Ayusha. Okay. You need to manage that, Sushil. If I will give the time to write the notes, that every entire time is going for the writing the notes only. Yeah, guys, you can leave. Contact हो गया. बीच में लिखा है ना फॉरिन लिखा है. हाँ, इन और ऑफ दोनों चेंज होती हैं.